my god, guys, oh my god, they have a slide in their office. Is this the coolest office or what? Guys, we are here at AirAsia's. That's the sleeping pod.
Vegetable biryani.
Hello everybody, so the day has started, but I'm extremely happy, excited, and have a lot of gratitude. Thank you God. But चलो आगे देखते हैं. Let's go. Good morning, guys. New day in a new country. Spend a day with me in Kuala Lumpur today. Hello, everybody. So the day has started. Doing my first collaboration with AirAsia. They're doing the Travelers program, so we're heading to their office right now. They're going to tell us all about it, and I'm so excited. We're at our hotel, Berjaya Times Square in Kuala Lumpur, और बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है आज. मैं आप लोगों के लिए मिनी ब्लॉग भी बना रही हूँ on Instagram, and obviously YouTube के लिए भी बना रही हूँ. But I'm extremely happy, excited, and have a lot of gratitude. Thank you God. But चलो आगे देखते हैं. Let's go. Guys, we are here at AirAsia's. A reminder for you all to dream big. Thank you. AirAsia office. I mean, just look at it. What a vibe. The corporate girly in me is screaming. Guys, the corporate girly and me wants to know why. What are the 21 reasons why AirAsia rocks? Happy Diwali. So we're here in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur at AirAsia's head office, and we are the travel squad. Oh my god, guys, oh my god, they have a slide in their office. Is this the coolest office or what? And they're ready with the event. So we're the travel squad. They're gonna tell us everything about this new initiative that they're launching. And I am so impressed. Having worked in corporate for so long, I'm so impressed by their office, the vibe, the goodies that we're gonna get. Guys, how do you like working for AirAsia? Do you like working for AirAsia?
Yes, it's so fun.
It's so fun?
You get to ride on the flight.
You wanna fly? Welcome to AirAsia!
Okay, so how does it work on office? So I'll tell you a little bit about what do we get as a
Guys, this this is how AirAsia's office looks from the top. And trust me, it's one of the best offices I have seen. And you see that slide? I'm gonna go there in a bit. Guys, this is their boardroom and this is a surfboard. So that's pretty cool. And that is the view. Well, if boardrooms have views like this, I think people would love to work. That's a sleeping pod. Wow. Guys, we are here at AirAsia's rooftop garden. Content creators ki barish happening here. Hi! Here at AirAsia's rooftop. Pretty dope view, huh?